Now, if there's anything that gets me just as excited about menswear, it would have to be bags. Camera bags, travel backpacks, shoulder sling bags, laptop bags, carry-on bags, you name it. I'm always searching for like the best bag that fits my needs for a certain occasion. I don't know why. And I believe I may have found my all occasion bag here, but let me first introduce to you the Apex everyday tote bag from Troubadour. Now, full disclosure, Troubadour did reach out to me and sent this bag for review. And as always, everything I say in this video is based on, my own experience, and I'm not being compensated to say anything outside of my own opinion. Let's get to it. Now, so if you haven't heard of Troubadour Goods, they are a London-based company that uses recycled products to create clean, minimalistic travel bags and products that are versatile for both work and leisure while also being eco-friendly. Now, as mentioned, this is their Apex everyday tote, and at first glance, it looks like a more refined version of your typical canvas tote bag, if you ask me. The design from the outside looks clean enough to carry to the office, but would also not look out of place if you were to use it for like simple leisure activities such as going to the beach or grocery shopping. I'll include some clips of the unboxing, pretty cool box and all, and the message that it comes with when you open it up. But yeah, let's go with the exterior first. So the fabric is sturdier than canvas, so it will have some structure to it if you were to carry it empty, like it is right now. It is made from a woven waterproof fabric and has different like textures of faux leather, with the opening having like this tumbled like leather texture and the handle having like this very soft, smooth finish. Now, I've had this bag for like 3 months now, and I like to refer it to as like, my all occasion bag or my 3-in-1 tote bag because it serves a few different purposes. The first one is being able to use it as a work bag or work tote. Aside from the clean design, it's spacious enough to fit all of my electronics and gadgets in an orderly fashion with, there's open and zippered pockets. It also comes with a storage sleeve with a magnetic, closure to keep your laptop fully secure during, those commutes, along with a magnetic bottle holders on both sides of the bag. I don't use it for water bottles. I use it to hold like some camera equipment, some lenses, but you can modify this bag to your lifestyle. Next, travel. I have traveled with this bag already and can confirm that it is carry-on approved. But what makes this bag so convenient for traveling is a zippered luggage sleeve. A luggage sleeve is always nice to have, right? But I like the fact that it's zippered because when I zip it, the luggage sleeve now turns into a pocket with a magnetic closure. And it doesn't end there. I also stuffed it and used it as a weekender bag. I think you have to purchase this separately, but they also have an adjustable strap. And I suggest adding that if you plan to lug around heavier stuff. Here it is. And lastly, I also just use it as any other tote bag. Not much else to say other than that, it's versatile to work for any occasion without looking out of place. But overall, it's a solid bag that will continue to be put to use. But one thing that concerns me is the handle and like the faux leather accent. I'm worried about how it would age over time. But they do include a 5-year warranty with your purchase if there are any quality issues. But for me, I would have loved if they used like, an actual like genuine leather handle and all that. I've done a video review on Oak and Rove, their briefcase, where they use like some sort of nylon shell, but they have like full grain leather accents. I'll make sure to link it somewhere up above. But yeah, that wraps up my review from the Apex Everyday Tote Bag from Troubadour. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description below if you want to check it out. Unfortunately, I do not have a discount code for them from them. I don't think they give discount codes. But yeah, guys, it's 5 a.m. right now, and I'm super tired. I'm still waking up. So excuse me if I'm slurring a little bit in this review. I'm not drunk, I promise. Anyways, guys, see you on the next one. Peace.